Hey, what's up guys, this is Ati here. You're watching Colin Tech and welcome to your fourth C++ tutorial. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to initialize two variables and create an addition calculator. So what you need to do is write int and give a space and write x. You can give whatever name you like to your variable and end it with a semicolon. Go to the next line and write int, give a space and give whatever name which you want to give. I'm going to give it y. So by this way I have successfully initialized two variables x and y. Don't forget to end every line with a semicolon or else you'll get an error message. So go ahead and write a message for the user that we have to input two numbers. So the user will know what we are trying to do. That is, we are trying to take the input. So this header file, as I had told you before, that iostream enables you to use two features, actually three, but we are going to know two features just now, which are cout and the other one is cin. You might have guessed that we are using cout feature for giving out, so we're going to use cin feature to take in from the user. You need to put greater than signs two times. You see the difference over here, that when we were trying to use cout, we were using less than signs, that is to give out, but while using cin feature we are trying to do take in, so we're going to write greater than signs two times. Now go ahead and write the variable's name which I created, that is x. End it with semicolon. Go to the next line and then write cin and then write y, the name of your second variable. So what this exactly means is, first of all, you created a variable called x, then you created something called y, then you gave a message called input, two numbers, then you took inside x, that is, this can be any value, and then you took input of y. So now you had initialized two variables and you have even made space for them, so that whatever you write or whatever you give an input, it'll be stored. Now go ahead and give a message cout and write the sum of the numbers is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write in the next line cout x plus y. Now what this compiler is going to do is, whatever values, say if I'm going to input x as 5 and y as 6, then it's going to add both of them and it's going to give the output as their sum. So just end it and then you can run it and see that this is the basic addition calculator which you have made. So before we run it, I'm going to recall one more time what we have done. So this line is include iostream, which is the header file which makes you use these two features, which are cout as well as cin. The next line is using namespace std. This is just because we are not going to write std 1,000 times before cout or cin or ndl, whatever. The next line is int main. Main is the driver function. Without main, nothing can happen, so we have created this function called main. The next line is int x. So we have easily initialized a variable called x and just terminated it with a semicolon. Same with y. And then we have used the cout feature to give an input to the user that you have to input two numbers. Then we took two numbers inside and then we gave an output that the sum of the numbers is x plus y. So this code is perfect, and if I build it and it just asks me input two numbers, so I'm going to put 12 and the other is 13. So we know that this is going to be 25. So when I hit enter, the sum of the numbers is 25. As easy as that. So you have created your basic calculator. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video where I teach you how to create exe files using C++. Thank you for watching.